don't know what the freaking crap is going on here, but the freaking power keeps on going in and out. And I keep on hearing these strange noises coming from the bedroom again. What the freaking crap? It's me back in my reality. No, I'm just kidding, everybody. I'm right here in the real world again, still here. Don't want to be here no more. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve a 2x2, 2x2, 3x3, 3x3 Rubik's cubes and star cube that I don't know how to solve. Psych. It's a infinity cube. Really cool. Made by Rubik's, actually. Yeah, you see? Right there. There's our proof. I want to get another one of those so I can put it inside the thing. We're not going to be showing you how to solve this $1 freaking garbage Rubik's cube. That sucks. Barely turns. Can't even corner cut. If you do corner cut it, it's going to break. So what you want to do is go onto whatever you do to search for things, obviously, and search up this right here. 2x2 Rubik's Cube Solver. The first website that comes up right here, click on that like this. Here, let me show you. Look, look, look. Grab your mouse. See, look, this is a button that clicks. See, look. Here, right there to click it. That's a joke, by the way. I'm just kidding. But you do click on that right there. And it loads. It will greet you with something that pops up onto your screen that will say, like, terms and conditions or whatever. And you want to agree to it. Or something about cookies or something. But you agree to that. This will pop up onto your screen after. This is the menu you're gonna get. So what you're gonna do is solve your Rubik's Cube. I mean, scramble up your Rubik's Cube. Oh yeah, by the way, this is 1x1, 2x2, 3x3, 4, and earrings. So let's scramble these things. It has been scrambled. We're gonna do the 2x2 first. Wow, why is that kind of similar scrambles? I did not mean to do that. But what you're gonna do is, see, all of these. So hold it like this top left corner. And then you go to edit right here. Press that. And then you see that on the top. This is the top. That's the middle of it. Like right here. This is it. See, top, middle, bottom. Top, middle, bottom, left, right, and that's the back of the cube. So just click right here. You just applied it, and then just look for the sides, put them in their designated spots. See this one on the back, so I'll put that right there. Obviously goes right there. One right here on the bottom corner, green, go there. 2 greens there. See that? That's called green. On the bottom, there's one up here above. You put in the white, right there, white right there, white there. Wait, yeah? The orange? No, it's not. Okay, good. And then the final one. Wait, what? Yeah. And then it's gonna go to yellow. Look, put the yellow there. And it puts, like, where it knows where they're gonna go. Then you put the blue. And there you go. Right there. And then you press solve. Look. Look. Look! Look at it! Kidding. Yeah, it shows you all all of the steps from step 1 to step 0. Or step 10. So I need to prop this up on something. Crap! Alright. Here we go. We're gonna go for the solve. like this. So look at that. It is solved now. It's solved. Look at that. You just solved your first cube ever. Congratulations. Actually proud now. So you just dispose of it. Then you grab up your next cube. Hold on, let me reload. Actually, all you have to do is just press that reset button and then repeat what you did with the other again. All you have to do is just do what you did last time. So this is in like a cross formation like this. You see? Just like that. And then this one, literally just like right here. It do lag sometime, but I'm gonna do this now, so. Here again now, press solve. And then here we go, like this. Oh! It's solved now, everybody. This is the speed cube. Okay. Now that that is solved, wait, hold on. Accidentally still didn't. There we go. Now that that is solved, it's time to do the 3x3 Rubik's cube. Let's go. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. What you gonna do? You're just gonna press on the freaking, what's it called? You gonna press on this, you gonna click on that. Get your 3x3. We gonna scramble this up real quick. Again, that's top, middle, bottom, left, right, back. See? Top, middle, bottom, left, right, back. So, like I said, I'll be right back. Let's scramble this. See, look. Well, first is proof. Alright. Time to scramble. Now that this is scrambled and you're on here, we're going to be using this one because I'm most comfortable with it. So, here we go. All you gotta do, this is how you want to have it. You see how it's on here. So, just click on what color, and it will show around the border what color you have equipped. So we're just gonna click up here, top corner, that corner. We're gonna do all the orange stuff first. This button right here will turn it to this side like this. You see there's orange and green. Orange, green on there. So, we already done. Oh no, just press it one more time. Then you'll go to the blue, orange and blue. There's gonna be an orange right here for me. Again, any scramble, literally any scramble in the universe. This will turn into that if you press that. So this is how we want it back, the default, and whenever you press this button right here, I'll turn it upside down. So then it'll go like that, upside down, you see? So you want to press, well, I want to press right there. See, it's turning orange. No, no. There you go. Replace that garbage green. What? Oh. Too many orange. So we have to do the orange side first. Hold on, everybody. So we're gonna have to do the orange side. See blue? Basically just building our cube. What? Oh. Okay, I guess it's not done yet. Hold on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it all over here. And also on the website, there's a video right here that teaches you how to use the website. Okay. I already have it all perfect. Everything is done. Okay. Let's press solve. Let's wait. Oh, crap. Oh, yes. I rule you, Rubik's Cube. You're mine. Get off of it! Alright, we're gonna solve this thing. And you're gonna solve your cube too, everybody. Let's do this. You were doing this crap! Hold your Rubik's Cube with green and red. Like here. Green, red. Green, red. Green, red. So here we go. We're gonna start solving it right now. Like literally right this millisecond. Alright. Wait a minute. Okay. Yep. Frick. Is that how it's supposed to look? Crap, yeah, it is. Wait. Oh. Yep, this is the blue. No. And here we go, everybody. It is solved. You literally just now solved your first ever Rubik's Cube 3x3. You literally just did that just now. You just now solved your 3x3 Rubik's Cube, everybody. You just did it just now. I'm proud. Just now solved these cubes. Well, this one don't count. But good job, everybody. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And all of that, you now rule. You rule your Rubik's Cube. You outplayed your Rubik's Cube. All of you guys, you got wrecked. get wrecked. Peace out, guys. I'm just trying to have fun in this and real world crap. I'm trying to get back to my reality. Anyways, peace out. Enjoy your solved Rubik's Cube, everybody. I don't know how to solve that.